In a world brimming with endless distractions, where noise often drowns out our inner voice, the profound teachings of Earl Nightingale echo like a lighthouse amidst a storm, illuminating the path to personal transformation and success. Picture this. Every day, you awake to a choice between merely existing and truly living, between fleeting moments of happiness and the steady pursuit of your dreams. Nightingale, a pioneer of personal development and one of the first to recognize the immense power of thoughts, understood that our mindset shapes our reality. "We become what we think about," he famously stated, reminding us that our lives are a reflection of our thoughts, our ambitions, and our relentless determination to rise above the ordinary. Each one of us possesses an untapped reservoir of strength, buried beneath layers of self-doubt and societal expectations. It is time to peel away those layers and unleash the power within, because the world is designed to challenge you. Oh yes, but it's also filled with opportunities waiting to be seized. Imagine breaking free from the chains of mediocrity, standing tall in the brilliance of your own potential, and carving a legacy that resonates not just for you, but for generations to come. This is the awakening that Earl Nightingale advocates, a spark that ignites the fire within your soul, urging you to take charge of your destiny. You hold the reins of your life, and it is only by igniting that internal flame that you can chase the extraordinary. The question is not whether you can. The real question is, will you? Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, where each wave represents uncharted opportunities just waiting for you to dive in. This ocean of potential is not just a metaphor. It's a reality that surrounds us daily, yet many hesitate to take the plunge. Why? Fear often shackles us, wrapping its cold fingers around our aspirations, whispering doubts that tell us we aren't ready or worthy. But here's the truth. Fear is a natural response to stepping into the unknown. It's like the dark before dawn, an uncomfortable phase that precedes our biggest breakthroughs. Embrace this fear, for it is a sign that you are on the brink of growth. When you push through that initial discomfort, you begin to pave a path of resilience that strengthens your character. Picture your dreams as stars in the night sky. They seem far away, but with every small step you take, you draw closer. Start by setting intentions, clear goals that ignite a fire within you. Write them down as if they are inscribed on your heart, and then take action. Tiny steps lead to giant leaps over time. Life rewards those who dare to move forward despite uncertainty. Each action, no matter how small, plants a seed of possibility. Nurture those seeds, and soon enough, you'll find yourself blossoming into the person you were destined to be, thriving as you navigate the waters of this extraordinary journey. The ocean of opportunity awaits. Will you dive in? When you begin to embrace the journey ahead, you'll discover that the landscape of your mind holds the keys to unlocking new adventures. Each thought is like a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, merging together to create a masterpiece that is uniquely yours. You have the ability to paint vibrant hues of success, joy, and fulfillment, but it takes commitment and creativity to bring those colors to life. Imagine your mind as a garden, where thoughts are seeds planted in the fertile soil of possibility. To cultivate a thriving garden, you must first clear away the weeds of negativity and self-doubt. These unwanted plants can choke your aspirations, making it difficult for your dreams to flourish. Instead, fill your garden with affirmations, confidence, and optimism, allowing each positive thought to act as sunlight and nourishment, encouraging growth. As you tend to this mental garden, visualize the bountiful harvest waiting for you. Your aspirations are not meant to wither away. They are meant to blossom into reality. Surround yourself with uplifting conversations, inspiring books, and supportive people who propel you forward. Let their energy fuel your determination as you embark on this path of self-discovery. In the rhythm of daily life, it's easy to overlook the power of small victories. Every time you conquer a doubt, face a fear, or take a step toward your dreams, you are building momentum. Celebrate those moments, for they are the building blocks of your future. Each victory, no matter how tiny, is a reminder that you are unstoppable. As the sun rises on your journey, remember that every beginning holds the promise of greatness. Are you ready to claim it? Imagine standing in front of a vast mountain range, each peak symbolizing a challenge you must overcome on your journey to greatness. These mountains, though imposing, offer you an extraordinary view from the top, if you dare to climb them. The ascent may be steep, and at times the path may feel rugged, but remember, every step upward strengthens your resolve. It's not the summit that defines your journey. It's the winding trail you carve out along the way. To successfully navigate this terrain, begin by fostering a belief in your potential. Picture each challenge as a stepping stone, not a barrier. Embrace the notion that every stumble is a lesson, guiding you closer to your goals. When you falter, dust yourself off, reflect on what went wrong, and adjust your approach. This adaptability is what transforms setbacks into setups for a greater comeback. Surround yourself with a tribe of supporters, those who will cheer you on as you tackle each mountain. Their encouragement acts as a powerful wind at your back, propelling you forward when you feel weary. Share your victories, no matter how minor they seem, and let their joy amplify your own. As you scale the heights, take time to appreciate the breathtaking views and the progress you've made. This journey is yours, and every ounce of effort brings you one step closer to your extraordinary life. So lacing up those boots and take that first step. Your adventure is just beginning. As you journey deeper into the landscape of your dreams, remember that persistence is your strongest ally. Like a steady stream carving its way through stone, your unwavering commitment can shape the world around you. It's easy to get disheartened when progress feels slow or obstacles loom large. But the most important thing is to keep moving. Each day, wake up with the resolve to take at least one small step. This could be as simple as dedicating 15 minutes to learning something new, reaching out to a mentor for advice, or even just visualizing your goals clearly and vividly. Think of your aspirations as a seedling that needs nurturing. It doesn't flourish overnight. With consistent care and attention, it grows stronger with every passing day. Hydrate it with knowledge, surround it with positive influences, and watch how resilient it becomes. Just as nature has its seasons, so too will your journey have its ups and downs. Embrace the challenges, for they are the storms that strengthen your roots. When you face adversity, remind yourself that you are building a foundation of resilience that will support you in times of need. In those moments of doubt, pull strength from your experiences. reflect on how far you've already come and let that momentum propel you forward. Every small achievement is a testament to your determination, a reminder that you are capable of more than you realize. Celebrate each victory, for they form the path to your magnificent destiny. Are you ready to embrace this journey and witness your own transformation? As you navigate through this vibrant tapestry of growth, it's vital to embrace the power of connection. Think of your journey as a thrilling expedition, and like any great adventure, it's enriched by the company you keep. Your circle of friends, family, and mentors can serve as your compass, guiding you when the path seems obscured and lighting the way when challenges arise. Sharing your dreams with others creates a ripple effect. Their encouragement and insights can ignite sparks of inspiration you may not have discovered on your own. Engage actively with those who uplift you, for their energy is contagious. Join communities, whether in person or online, where dreams are nurtured and ambitions celebrated. Surround yourself with visionaries and achievers. Their passion can refuel your motivation. You might find that a simple conversation can lead to profound realizations, as different perspectives can shed light on opportunities previously unseen. Moreover, don't hesitate to give back. Supporting others on their journeys not only strengthens your bonds, but also deepens your own understanding. Each act of kindness you extend is a reminder of your resilience and your commitment to collective growth. Open up about your struggles, your successes, and your aspirations. Your story has the power to resonate and inspire, turning your personal experiences into beacons of hope for someone else's journey. Together, you and your tribe can create a symphony of achievements, one that celebrates every note, from the smallest whispers of victory to the grand crescendos of success. Embrace this interconnectedness, for it can elevate your journey to unimaginable heights. As you take each step on your remarkable journey, it's essential to harness the power of gratitude. This simple yet profound practice can transform your perspective, adding depth and richness to every experience. Start each day by acknowledging the blessings in your life, be it a warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a friend, or the beauty of a sunrise. This act of appreciation opens your eyes to the abundance that already surrounds you, reinforcing a mindset that attracts even more positivity. Imagine keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down the little things that bring you joy. Over time, you'll create a treasure trove of moments, uplifting reminders of why you're on this path. When challenges arise, revisit those entries. Let them serve as anchors, grounding you in the highs of your journey when storm clouds might gather. Gratitude not only lifts your spirits, but also creates a ripple effect in your life. When you express appreciation to others, it fosters connection, weaving stronger bonds and uplifting everyone involved. Cultivating gratitude can be your secret weapon in maintaining momentum. It acts as a shield against discouragement, encouraging you to view obstacles as opportunities for growth rather than roadblocks. As you embrace this attitude, you'll find your resilience strengthening, your motivation igniting, and your path transforming. So let gratitude be your beacon, guiding you on this extraordinary adventure. Each acknowledgement is like a spark, lighting the way toward the life you have envisioned. Are you ready to ignite your journey with gratitude? Every step you take is a brushstroke on the canvas of your unique journey, creating a masterpiece that reflects your deepest desires, struggles, and triumphs. Imagine the vibrant colors swirling together to form a beautiful sight, each hue representing the lessons learned and experiences gained along the way. The beauty of your journey lies not just in the grand achievements, but also in the quiet moments of discovery that fuel your spirit. Think about the moments that have taken your breath away, the times when you felt unstoppable. These memories serve as the fuel that sparks your ambition and propels you forward, especially when challenges arise. They remind you of your resilience and the strength that lies within. Carry these memories with you like a cherished talisman, allowing them to guide your choices and inspire those around you. Embrace the future with open arms and an adventurous heart. Let excitement replace fear as you envision new possibilities waiting just beyond the horizon. Every chapter of your life is an opportunity to learn, grow, and transform. The horizon is vast, filled with adventures waiting to be explored, and you have the map in your hand. The more you reach for the stars, the closer you'll come to achieving the extraordinary life you deserve. Keep pushing forward. Your moment is just around the corner. The universe is calling. Are you ready to answer? As your incredible journey comes to a close, remember that this is not the end, but a vibrant new beginning. Each lesson learned, every moment embraced, and all the connections forged have prepared you for the path ahead. You've gathered an arsenal of wisdom, tools, and an unstoppable spirit. Now, it's time to harness that power and illuminate the world around you. Imagine stepping onto a grand stage where every accomplishment, big or small, is a highlight of your life's story. You are the author, the director, and the star of this show, and it's your time to shine. As you share your journey with others, you spark inspiration that ripples through the lives of those around you. Your experiences have the potential to light a fire in someone else's heart, pushing them to embark on their own journey of transformation. In this interconnected world, every subscription, every share, and every comment creates a network of empowerment. So take a moment to subscribe to this channel and share the video with others. Help spread this message of hope and resilience. Each time you inspire someone else, you weave a stronger fabric of community and support, and you amplify the positivity that bounces back to you. You have the power to make a difference, to uplift not only yourself, but those around you. So go ahead, embrace this vibrant existence. Dive in, share your journey, and watch as the universe unfolds in remarkable ways. Your story matters, and the world is eager to hear it.